So you might be thinking to yourself, are wedding details even that important? I mean, aren't ring shots just all about like being really pretty and florals or just to make the space look beautiful? I'm here to tell you today that there's actually a few reasons why wedding details are really, really important and how they serve a deeper purpose. Before we jump right in, I do want to let you guys know that I do have a free download for you, and it's all about how to photograph wedding details really, really well. And that link for you is down in the description. All right, so the first reason that I believe wedding details are so important is because it's serving your couple really, really well. Just going through the wedding planning process myself and seeing so many of my brides go through it, it is so much work. And brides agonize over the tiniest little details, more than you probably realize. If you haven't gotten married before, you probably don't even know how many hours brides spend trying to pick out place cards, how many hours they agonize over which necklace they're going to wear, and even what shoes they're going to wear. There's so many different things that brides spend so much time on, and while they might seem like the smallest details, being able to photograph the details really, really beautifully is actually serving them really well by preserving those memories for them and the things that they spent so much time planning. The second reason wedding details are so important is because it helps to serve your vendors really well. It helps to build relationships with them. I do want to say before I go into this that the main reason you want to build relationships with vendors is not just to book more weddings and not to make more money, but it's to build genuine relationships with them, because the community that you'll get from that is so much more important than any dollar value you could get from other vendors. The bonus is really just getting to work with your friends and send those referrals back and forth, and really to build those relationships with the people that you're working so many weddings with. So I have two more reasons why I believe wedding details are really, really important. The first one is that it gives you a higher chance of being published, especially if you know how to photograph details really, really well and with lots of variety. I'll be the first to admit that being published for me and my business hasn't been a super big priority in the past 5 years, just because I have such a personal brand, and that's honestly how I book a lot of my weddings. But for wedding photographers who do want to be published, it is really important that you know how to photograph details, not only with a lot of variety, but also how to make them really beautiful, especially for lay flats when you're the one responsible for styling everything and making it look gorgeous. And this kind of goes back to the first two reasons of serving the vendors and the couple really well, because not only are you going to be excited about being published, they're going to be thrilled about being published in a magazine or an online blog. And the last reason why I believe wedding details are actually really important is it's a really great way to keep pushing you in your work and help you keep thinking creatively. It's an avenue that you can use to make you actually a better photographer and to keep you thinking creatively when you're photographing details and finding new ways to do it and do it more efficiently. And those skills go over into all the other parts of the wedding day and knowing how to do things efficiently, how to style things really beautifully, and to have a better eye when you're photographing. All right, guys, so if you've been loving this series on how to photograph wedding details, please take a screenshot of you tuning in. I would just love to see it. If you post it on your Insta stories and tag me at Stephanie Lynn Case, I will reshare it and DM you back and just be really excited. And as always, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I come out with new videos every Tuesday, and I can't wait to share more with you guys next week. Bye, guys. I got itchy. Itch. Let's redo all this.